I'm looking in my rear view, and I can see a clearer view of you. This is the remix. I see you waiting, I know you're hating. I see you watching and waiting, and I can tell you to ride up on it, roll up on me. This way I'm riding dirty, and if they stop me, I might be going to jail tonight. I see them watching and waiting, and opportunity to ride up on me, they don't roll up on me. This day I'm riding dirty, and if they stop me, I might be going to jail tonight.
Yeah, I got 20 grand in my pocket and I'm riding around with my pockets crowned. You the one that got the contraband and you smoking that like you in Amsterdam. Before I know it, I see them sirens are pulling over. Hey, we just riding, don't talk back, won't be no violence. Just shut up and sit in your seat in silence. Now the police is searching who? They searching me and then they searching you. They smell the breeze and you smell like trees, cause you hit the blunt and hit the purple too. Now the lie is irreversible because you just told them we was riding clean. They question you but they ain't question me yet. I'm thinking the police ain't find a thing. Yeah. Standing on the side of the freeway wishing they would just hurry up. And I can see him walking up to me like he about to put me up in them cubs. I turn around and I look at you and you look away like you feeling sick. I'm going to jail for what I didn't commit. I must admit that I hate a snitch.
I see them watching, they waiting, and opportunity to ride up on me, they don't roll up on me. This day I'm riding dirty, and if they stop me, I might be going to jail tonight. I see them watching and waiting, and opportunity to ride up on me, they don't roll up on me. This day I'm riding dirty, and if they stop me, I might be going to jail tonight.
Ever since they heard the song Ride Dirty, the whole world been listening, I'm glad you heard me. Some cops still representing the badge of Shirley. Every cop ain't bad or trying to scare me. A year later, after white and nerdy, on the grind, still trying, still flying birdie. That stuff in your cup, still driving swervy. Riding dirty like a vehicle inside the derby. A little inspired by UGK, and the rest inspired by the life I'm living. Seen that Impala, he was drunk, and that's when I saw the red lights to get him. And it's ironic that during the chase, he murdered Chase, and this kid was Christian. Moving target, ran across the street, and unfortunately, the car didn't miss him. And then the family can soon to know that they gon' have to do another funeral. The angels ain't singing to your tune no more. Don't move too fast, baby, move it slow.
Cause one day you're here, baby.
Next thing you know, everything you used to move don't move no more.
I see you watching, waiting. This is not a movie, it's real life.
It's real life. Ain't just a song, it's a message. Nobody ever opens their eyes until somebody gets killed. Rest in peace to Sean Bell.